Hey everybody, I just wanted to hop on for a quick second to let you all know that registration is now open for cohort 3 of relationship skills for all genders and orientations. And that's going to be starting on August 10th. It meets 6 times every other Saturday, 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern for 90 minutes. And because I wanted to see how it might scale up to 30 people, I'm capping it at 30, but I'm also giving out a special offer of a number of pretty steep discount codes, which you can find on the FAQ part of the Maven page. And you can find the Maven page by going to the link in my bio. So I hope to see your faces. I think we're going to have an awesome time, and I really am looking forward to it again. I hope you're all having a great day. Take good care. Bye.